Let me take a few seconds to thank you for the overwhelming support for the Cooked app. The app is now installed on 40,000 mobile devices and it really means a lot to all of us here at Cooked. We're always trying to figure out ways to improve your Cooked app experience, thereby making cooking at home easier than ever. As a part of it, we have come up with some significant updates for the app and I'm here to talk about that. With 50,000 searches happening every month on the Cooked app, we want to make it easier than ever to find the exact recipe that you need. Now you can filter search results based on cuisine, mealtime, and course of meal. Finding a Chinese paneer starter recipe that you can make for dinner has never been easier than this. 7,500 meal plans have been created within the Cooked app in the last 3 months. Now, instead of just creating meal plans for the next 7 days, you can create meal plans for the next 28 days, which is for the next 4 weeks. Now, you don't need to think what to make on a Saturday evening Cooked app is a mini meal planner in your pocket. Saving a recipe that you like into a personalized list is something that many of you had asked us for. The fact is, we have been having that functionality from day one, but our bad, we didn't make it obvious. Now, with the improved user experience within the Cooked app, we have made it easier for you to save a recipe that you like right from the recipe page. You could access your saved list from the bottom bar of the Cooked app. Nothing makes us more happier than seeing pictures of the dishes that you have made at home using the Cooked app. The comments and photo section of the Cooked app has got a facelift. Now we have made it easier for you to share a comment about a recipe you like or upload a beautiful picture of a recipe that you have made at home. Now you could even show your appreciation to other users by liking their comment or photos. Apart from these, we have made some performance improvements to make the app faster and fixed a bunch of bugs. We don't know if we have ever shared this with you. Cooked already has 800 recipes within the app, and from now we are going to add 100 new recipes every month. Go try out all these new features within the app and let me know what you think. Cheers and Vanakkam.